Hi everyone, Byron here, and we have some new plants for spring. And these new plants are plants that really love to be in shade and low light, that have beautiful variegation to their leaves and are easily grown in the indoor conditions. First we have here is Calathea golden Mosaic, which you can see has these beautiful variegated leaves with kind of a light green to cream color. And this particular Calathea is one of those what we call easier varieties. It doesn't get a lot of tip burn and pretty much looks good all the time, where some Calatheas are a little problematic when you're growing them, mainly due to the water they get. So this is a real rugged variety. We have the Variegated Melanochrysum here, where you can see the variegation in the leaves. It's a little bit of a modeling coming on that. It's a bit unstable in that it goes all green, or it comes along with these mottled leaves with speckling in them, but it stays true all the way through in its growth. And here we have Philodendron green Congo nuclear. Not sure where the nuclear came from, but you can see it's a beautiful variegation, and here's a leaf that's actually showing a little bit of pink in it with a really strong variegation there. And this will probably, as it matures, you'll get more of this. This is a young plant, but you'll get more of this half variegated leaf as it goes along. This is a great Aglaonema. This is a variety called Tricolor. It's relatively new in the trade, and I just saw it and I fell in love with it. Look at the beauty in that. Variegation in this is really tricolor. It has the grays, the light greens, and the dark greens. Aglaonemas, which are really famous houseplants, are grouped together with the philodendrons. Very, very strong growers under low light conditions, which many of us have in the home. And lastly, we have the Variegated Frydek, which is quite sought after. And this is a really great variegation. Even though it has some instability to it, we've never had them go back into a green state, so they've pretty much stabilized into what they are. So if you have a low light spot and you need some interesting plants to grow in it, here's a group of great foliage plants for your indoor growing. If you'd like more information, visit us at logees.com.